everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate different ways that you can teach your child how to cut with scissors. When you're first starting out, children need to learn how to rip first so they can get the motion of their hands and their fingers. So you want to cut out some strips of paper, nothing too long, and you're going to have them try ripping, twisting their wrists so that it's going in different directions. So you can have them put it in over a trash can or a box or a bag, or you can have them put it into a container, and you can use all the little scraps they make as a sensory experience as well. So just having them practice ripping, and after they've done with that, when they get the hang of that, then you're going to move on to snipping. Snipping means that the paper that you give them is able to cut with scissors in one cut. So you can either just give them strips of paper, or you can draw on them where you want them to cut. So this thin piece of paper, you can try using printer paper, construction paper, cardstock. The harder and firmer the paper is, the more challenging it is for your child, and will help them build up their hand muscles. So in this one, I just made little lines where they can make snips. Again, snipping is when they can use only one cut, open and close their scissor once, and it will cut the paper. When they get the hang of that, then you will move on to fringe. So for fringe, it's when there are lines going just the bottom around the edge of a paper. So you can draw the lines, or you can have them just free snip or fringe. Again, it's only one cut. And that makes a nice little fringe along the edge of your paper. If you make a whole bunch of these, you can make different projects. Like you can glue them in circles, and then they make little fringes that are kind of cool, or you can stack them. And then after that, you're going to work with them on cutting straight lines. So you can help them draw a line across the paper, and then have them cut out the lines. Like this. And this will have them practicing opening, and closing while they're moving across the page. After they get the hang of cutting straight lines, then you can move on to zigzag lines. This is a zigzag because it goes back and forth, like lots and lots of Z's. And this is a little bit more challenging for children because they have to actually move their scissors off the paper. For now, as long as you're practicing ripping, snipping, and fringe, then it will help them build up their how to use scissors to cut and build up their hand muscles, which will help them later on with using writing utensils to write. Until next time, bye!